Yes student, today we are going to learn the nature of roots of quadratic equation. So number first thing is, what is nature of roots? Whenever we have taken any quadratic equation and we have find the value of variable. So how many values are possible over here? Two values. It means the roots of x are how many? Two roots will be there. So sometimes when we solve, we find both of them are same numbers. So it means they are equal. Or sometimes for some quadratic equation they are unequal, means they are different. And it is also possible that in some of the quadratic equation no roots can be found. So such conditions are called nature of roots. So how to identify the nature of roots from the given quadratic equation? So for that, what you have to do, we have to find the value of discriminant, which is denoted by d, and d is equal to b square minus 4ac. From the given quadratic equation, whatever be the quadratic equation, we're going to substitute the value of b, means the coefficient of x, in this condition, minus 4ac the coefficient of x square and the constant term, and do the calculation. When over here we do the calculations, three possibilities are there. Let us take the possibility through number line. Suppose this is the number line. In the number line we see at the center the value is 0. On the left hand side the values are negative, and on the right hand side the values are positive. So when we find the value of d, it may be possibility that after calculating it we get the value of d equal to 0, or maybe possibility we get any number after calculation and the number is in negative sign. So we can say the value of d is less than, if the value is in negative sign it means it is less than 0, the value of d is less than 0. Or it may be possibility that the number obtained is in plus sign, so it means the value of d is greater than 0. So three conditions are there: d is equal to 0, the value of d equal to 0, the value of d is less than 0, or d is greater than 0. So if d is equal to 0, then the roots of the quadratic equations are equal and real roots. Real, why we are using the word real? Real means any real number can be there. So roots are equal. If the value of d is negative, means less than 0, then there will be no real roots. Then no real roots will be there. We cannot find the roots for it. It means after calculation the value of x becomes 0. It means when we do the calculation, then we will going to find that the calculation is such a way that on the both side x come and they will be cancelled, means they will be removed. If the value is positive, means d is greater than 0, then we have the roots, but the roots are different. For different the word uses distinct. Distinct means different. Roots are distinct and real. Real means real numbers. So for only two conditions roots are possible: if the value of d is equal to 0 or the value of d is greater than 0, means in positive number. For negative there is no real roots. So let us take an example. Let we have 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Here we have to find the nature of roots, means what type of roots are there. Either the roots are, there is no real root, or roots are equal, or roots are distinct, means different. So let us check. First we have to compare it with the general form. We'll get the value of a equal to 2, means coefficient of x square, the value of b equal to minus 3, the value of c equal to 5. Then we know that discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. The value of b we have minus 3, so minus 3 whole square. 4 into the value of a we have 2, the value of c we have pi. So let us do the calculation. Minus square will change into plus. 3 into 3 9. Here we'll get the minus sign. 4 to 8, 8 5 40. Now we are observing two numbers are there and 9 is in positive sign, 40 is in negative. Both are in reverse sign. It means we have to subtract 9 from 40. So after subtraction we get 31, but the greater number is 40. So we are getting the value of d equal to minus 31. So according to the condition, minus 31 means the value of d lie on the left hand side of number line. It means it is less than 0. This implies that d is less than 0. Since d is less than 0, so therefore there is no real roots for the given equation. So there is no real root for this given equation. So this way we can do the calculation, means we can find the value of d and we can find the nature of roots of any quadratic equation. Thank you.